Welcome to 416 Crypto. So in today's beginner lesson, we're going to teach you how to use the platform Newton to buy some crypto, how to register, how to put money from your bank account, and also how to get a free $25 bonus in your bank account. So let's check it out. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is click on the link on the description box of this YouTube video. You'll find our link and it'll take you to this website. If you use my link, you get $25 free when you make your first trade over $100. It also helps this channel out, so it helps me out a lot, so I'd appreciate it. Just simply put your email address and password here. Click on You've read agreements and click on Get My $25. What it should do is you go to the next screen where it says you're in, and it's going to ask you to verify your email. So go check your email address, open the email, click on Activate Account. You've arrived in the promised land. Alright, let's check it out. So now you should be in your account, and then it's going to ask you for your phone number. So the reason it asks you for your phone number is so you can have verification. So people, even if someone steals your password, you still log in using your phone number. It always sends you a code. Let me put my phone number in there. Let's see if it's gonna work. Don't look, guys. I'm gonna blur it out. Get code. What's gonna happen next is you should get the code on your phone. It just sends you a text message. I got my code. No, that's not my verification. My verification goes 35. Alright, that's my code. So make sure it's your Newton verification code. Click on verify. Next, it's going to ask you for the verification process. So what that is, it's going to ask you for your first name, last name, your occupation, date of birth. So you're going to have to fill all of that out. After that, you're going to have to verify identity with photo identification. So what is photo identification? That is pretty much your driver's license or a passport. You're going to have to take pictures of it and then take a picture of yourself, and then they're going to verify this. Don't worry about it. I've done it a few times and I didn't have any issues. And then after that, it's going to go to the add funds page. Alright, so once you have verified your ID, this is going to be your main panel in Newton. So what you would do is to insert cash or funds, you would go here, you click on add funds. You can either do a wire transfer, insert crypto from a different wallet if you have crypto anywhere else, or what I usually do is buy crypto via Interact e-transfer. So what I would do is I click here, they have your email, put in the fund that you'd like to request, and send. What it does an e-transfer, and it sends Newton the funds, and then after, I think it's around maybe around half an hour, you will see the funds in your total portfolio. Alright, so that's that. We're going to release another video on how to actually buy crypto on Newton. So don't forget to check that out, and don't forget to click on the link, the referral link in the video description to sign up. Thank you so much, and bye bye.